Let's go.
Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another wig review, and this wig is brought to you by Aatifa hair from Aliexpress. And what they sent me was a 22-inch bundles and a closure, so all made into a wig, of course. And here's the wig, and this is the box shipped by FedEx, and they smashed my box yet again. I don't know what it is about them and smashing boxes, and just, it was a pretty box. So this is what the wig came in, and of course it came with a couple of goodies, which is, you know, your regular netting and eyelashes. So the box is just completely destroyed. So here's the hair. And on Aatifa's website, there's a lot of bundles. There's a lot of wigs. I mean, you name it. But so this is what the wig looks like. It's deep wave. I call it deep wave, and it's really pretty. It's really cute. The construction is really cute. It's a beautiful wig. I'm not gonna lie about that. It's a beautiful wig. So it comes with combs. It has combs in it, and then adjustable straps. So this is your regular wig construction cap. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the lace, and then I'm going to come back to you guys, and we're going to get it shipped out. So I'm back, and I cut the lace off just a little, and I'm going to work my way through it. I didn't cut off all of it. So yeah, I'm going to put the wig on, and we're going to see how it's constructioned. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you cut the lace off. Okay, these third grade baby bangs, they're gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to see what I can do. Okay, from looking at it, the hairline looks really good. It says it's pre-plucked already, so it looks really good. But what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to fix these baby bangs. Because I didn't pluck them. Okay, so let me get into this wig, these bundles and this closure, and then the wig construction. So let me kind of get into the bundles. First of all, as you can see, it's a beautiful set of bundles. I'm talking about, it's, baby, it's beautiful. It's so pretty, and I'm talking about, if you want a little bit more fullness, just keep taking your hands through it. This is 100% virgin human hair from Aatifa hair from Aliexpress. And when I say that I'm in love because of the pattern, the deep wave, I'm in love because of the length. I will tell you straight out of the pack, it does have a smell to it. And then if you were to, the closure, let me tell you about the closure. You're going to have to do a whole lot of plucking because it comes with these long extended baby hairs. And I'm talking about these long extended baby hairs where it's up here. Like the lace comes all the way up here. I had to pull the lace back a little bit and kind of cut off the baby hairs. I had to cut off the baby hairs. So luckily there's enough lace on the closure that allows you to have enough cutting room to pluck and then cut off the extra baby hairs, the excess baby hairs you don't need, because you can always create your own. You can always create your own baby hairs. So that's what I love about closures as well. You can always create your own baby hairs. So as you can see, this has about 5 inches of parting here, from here to here. And then of course, if you wanted to put this up, you can put it up in a full ponytail, like in 2 Bantu knots. You can, it's very versatile. This, you know, this hair, if you wanted to throw it on, make yourself a good wig like this one, it's versatile. So I love that straight out of the pack, you know, it looks light. Straight out of the pack, it looks like it's not a whole lot of hair. But once you start taking your hands through it, I'm talking about volume. I'm talking about, you know, straight bounce. I'm talking about straight curls and thickness. It's thick. Once you start taking your fingers through it, which I still haven't gotten, you know, half of the hair unwind, so you can only imagine how big this hair is going to get. This is 100%, you know, virgin human hair, means it hasn't been tainted with. So this is a natural color and curl pattern. So the color is an off brown, a natural brown. I'll say a natural brown. And I love that, you know, I think probably once you flat iron it out, it may be a little bit more than 22 inches, because you got to remember, sometimes the curls make it, you know, 22 inches, but when you flat iron and stretch it out, it may be longer. So I have my flat iron here and I want to see how it flat irons. So I'm going to take the piece back here and I am just going to run my iron through it. It is on. Just in case I want to flat iron this hair out, I just want to know how it will look. So it's gonna so like distinctive, and I'm talking about like it's curly. It's gonna take probably a few passes before you can get that straight piece. Like it's still not straight, but this is how it'll look straight. And that's not bad. That's really pretty, but I don't think I want to straighten it because it's so pretty as is. So I'm gonna hide that and I'm gonna see if I can dip it in some water to get back the curl pattern, the curl pattern, Jesus. And I don't even have no water in here so I can, you know, test this piece, but I'll do it off camera and I'm gonna do an update on this hair. Had to get a couple of thumbnails. So you can't tell me this is not pretty, and the natural hairline is saying it's pre-plucked. I can see that, but yes, I'm gonna go in a little bit more and pre-pluck it a little bit more to my liking. I have not glued anything down yet because, like I said, I wanted to get a feel of the wig. I want to get a feel of it. So the entire thing is 22 inches with a 22-inch closure. So I just think this is really beautiful. This is like, this is hair heaven. Let me see if I can get a back shot for y'all. Hold on. See, I haven't even finished taking my hands through it to finish out the rest. Look at that. Look. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, this hair company reached out to me and they wanted me to review this hair for y'all, and I'm so glad they did, because when I tell you this is some really amazing hair, I'm gonna see how it just really, she holds up. But baby, the quality, to me, something amazing when I take my hands through it. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like I told you, if you keep putting your hands through it, the volume gets bigger and bigger. Now there is going to be a little bit of shedding, I will tell you that. So there's going to be shedding, and there may be a little bit tangling, because with longer wigs, that's what you're going to get. So this is how much shedding I did get out of the wig, but I think that had a lot to do with me cutting the, like I said, the bangs off the top of this closure piece. And that's what tends to happen when you start, you know, cutting a little bit near the actual hairline. There's going to be some hairs that come out. So be expected of that, but I don't think you're gonna miss it, because this tends to have a whole lot of volume as you keep taking your hands through it. So I don't think you have a lot to worry about with the shedding, you know, nor are you gonna tell, or is this wig gonna get thin anytime soon. And like I said, the construction of the The wig capping is beautiful. It's hiding everything. You don't see no tracks. I mean, I'm talking about, baby, give me my life. I'm gonna make sure I leave the link so y'all can go look for yourself, because I'm sick and tired of giving y'all estimates and I be wrong. So I'm gonna leave the link below so you can go check out for yourself the pricing of the bundles, and then just look around at all of their hair in their store on Aliexpress. And I'm talking about, just gives you life. It gives you a whole lot of life. So yeah, y'all tell me what you think. If I missed anything, please ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer your questions. To everybody that have been giving me feedback, I truly appreciate you. And thank you so much for my baby nighttime routine video. It has reached 330,000. And I just want to say I love y'all. Even though she's 1 now, that video is doing extremely well. Now, if y'all can do that for your girls' hair videos, that'll be A1 too. But I hope you like this hair. I mean, I tried to give it my best shot. I had to get off camera. I couldn't do exactly what I wanted to do because, like I said, I'm not trying to keep, have my videos too long. All y'all need to know is the deets. I love it. I love it a lot. So yeah, y'all, tell me what you think in the comment section below. So it's been fun, it's been real, and I shall see y'all in my next. Bye.